If you have a selection of objects in Canva that are all aligned and you need to swap one with the other, Canva's now created this really cool tool that you can swap them without having to move one element out of the way, moving the other one, and then replacing it and making sure everything's realigned. You can simply select everything that you want to move around and it'll automatically do it for you. This is going to save you so much time when you're in a design and you need to move either a text box or an item or an image around, and you don't need to realign everything for you. It's quickly swapped it. 1, 2, 3, thank you very much. With this new feature, if you've got elements that are already aligned, you can select them, and then you'll see this little arrow circle in the middle of those elements. If you select one of them and pull it across to the area you want it to go to, it'll switch that element with the one next to it. And then you don't have to realign anything or move it around. It's been swapped perfectly, and your alignment hasn't changed once. I hope you found this tip useful, and if there's anything else I can help you with design and branding within Canva, please drop me a comment and I'll help you out. My name's Miranda, and I teach small businesses simple design skills in Canva so that you can create an awesome visual identity and stand out from the crowd.